Well, I'm very proud of this way of growing plums and greengages. Again, the tree is about 17 years old, and gradually I have removed the center out of the tree. And now, as you see, the main framework branches sloping upwards very gradually. And so there's masses of light coming in with, as a result, instead of having a bare inner side of the tree, the whole of the center is open for the light, and the tree has reacted by making plenty of flowers in the center of the tree. Not only just on the perimeter of the canopy, but in the center. The trick with this is not to do, of course, because it's plums and greengages, not to do pruning in the winter time. You have to prepare that while the tree is in full leaf, and therefore the risk of silver leaf is greatly reduced. But it is a very, very effective way of growing good quality plums and greengages. Thank you for watching.